Welcome to All-in-One SEO, the most powerful and user-friendly WordPress SEO plugin on the market. Today, we'll look at All-in-One SEO's powerful features that make it the perfect WordPress SEO plugin for you. With All-in-One SEO, you can properly set up your WordPress SEO all without hiring an expert. And All-in-One SEO makes it easy to set up the proper SEO foundations in less than 10 minutes. Our Smart Setup Wizard optimizes your website's SEO settings based on your unique profile. Use our SEO audit checklist to analyze your entire WordPress site to detect critical errors and get actionable insights to boost your SEO rankings and get more traffic. Plus, you can quickly audit your competitor site right from your dashboard. Want to optimize your pages for higher rankings? No problem. Our True SEO Score gives you a more in-depth analysis into your optimization efforts than just a pass or fail. Plus, our actionable checklist helps you to unlock maximum traffic with each page. Use our Smart XML sitemaps to automatically generate a WordPress XML sitemap and notify all search engines of any updates. Looking to increase your rankings with video? With All-in-One SEO's Video SEO Sitemap Generator, you can rank in Google's Video Carousel widget and grow your traffic. Or get higher rankings and unlock more traffic by submitting your latest news articles to Google News using our Google News Sitemap Generator. Need to rank locally? We've got you covered. All-in-One SEO gives you all the tools you need to improve your local SEO and rank higher on Google Maps. Want higher rankings for your products? No problem. All-in-One SEO's advanced SEO support for WooCommerce will help you optimize product pages, product categories, and help you get the higher rankings you deserve. Plus, with our social media integration, you control how your content and thumbnails look on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media networks. And our rich snippet schema offer complete support for schema markups so you can get more clicks and traffic with rich snippets. We took the pain out of WordPress SEO and made it easy and powerful to use. Get started with All-in-One SEO today.